Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain coin. We have already seen that after hitting beyond 2.29 cents, now the price action of Vechain is moving down. So in today's video, we will try to understand where the price action can move next. We will also watch the long-term chart with the different indicators and the moving averages. We will also watch the move of the Vechain on the daily chart and the different patterns that are formed on the daily chart and the different moving averages and the different support and resistance level as well. Now, first of all, I would like to show you this chart. This is the long-term weekly chart, and the price action of Vechain after the mid of March spiked very well. You can see that this is a very strong bullish rally, and from the low of the March up to this highest of August 2020, this rally is more than 1360%, and the price action has broken out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and we have already seen that the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud is already above the price line, and it is moving down at this time, but I'm expecting that now it will again move to the upward, and that will be another strong bullish signal, because we have seen that the cloud is already turned bullish and it is in green color and giving very strong bullish signal, and the price line is now having support of 25 simple moving average. Before that, we have seen when the price action was here, at that time the price line of Vechain was not having any support of simple moving averages. For example, here we can see that the 25 simple moving average was at a very big distance from the price line, and the 50 simple moving average was also down. Therefore, in order to continue the bullish rally, the price line needs some support, especially of the moving averages. Therefore, this is a very good gesture and positive gesture that the 25 simple moving average moved up and the price action moved a little bit down. If we place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line is retraced between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Here we have the 25 simple moving average on the long-term weekly chart. This is not the daily chart, therefore it can be very strong support for the price line. If it will be broken down, then we have the next support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly chart. But there is possibility that now the price line can move up from here, as we can observe that the price line is being consolidated above this 25 simple moving average on this weekly chart. Now, if we move to the daily chart, then the price line is moving in this falling wedge pattern. By the way, before continuing with the video, I would like to give you a small reminder that I am building my Forsage team. This is my referral, and this is my ID, and this is my email address. I've also shared all these details in the video's description as well. This is completely decentralized, self-executing, smart contract-based crowdfunding platform. If you want to earn good income with even a small investments, then you can join my team. And this is a good program where you can earn as an active member and the passive member as well, but there will be more chances of earning if you'll work as an active member. And please make sure my ID should be displayed on the screen while you will be signing up on Forsage using my referral, and after that you can click on the automatic registration and continue with this sign up process. And if you'll have any problem, then you can drop me an email. I've shared in the video's description my email address, and I will provide you the complete support. And if you want to learn anything more about Forsage, I have also shared my review on Forsage. The videos link in the video's description you can find there. That will be helpful for you to understand how the Forsage works. Now let's move to the chart back. We were watching this daily chart where the price action is moving in this falling wedge pattern. At this time, the price line is hitting at the resistance of this falling wedge, and while getting bounced from the support, the price action is also getting bounced from this lower bands of the Bollinger Band. So this is a very good gesture that the price action has both supports of this falling wedge pattern and this Bollinger Bands as well, but we have this POC, the point of control, of this volume profile that I have placed on this complete price action moving within this falling wedge pattern that is below the resistance of the falling wedge. And if we want the trader's interest, if I will place the trend line here, that will be easy for you to understand. Then we can see that we have the trader's interest up to this level from the downside, and from the upside we have the trader's interest even above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, there are chances that the price action can break out from here. And I have also placed this moon phases indicator. This is the full moon, and this is the dark moon. You can see the dark moon is below the support, and the new full moon is also above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. This is the old moon, and this is the new moon. Therefore, we can believe that the new dark moon, when it will be appeared, because this new dark or full moon appears after 29.5 days, and we can see that the last dark moon was appeared on 2nd of September. If I will place this measurement tool from 2nd September up to the current candlestick, then 29 days are already passed, and therefore we can expect that the new dark moon will be appeared soon. And I'm expecting that the new dark moon will be appeared higher than the previous dark moon, because we have the new full moon above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Let's see what will happen in the future. Maybe tomorrow the new dark moon will be appeared, and that can be the decision making moon, because if it will be appeared above this support, then we can expect that soon the price action can break out. And if that will be appeared below this support, then we can expect that maybe the price action will move again down to retest the previous support of this falling wedge pattern. I'm not expecting that it will be moved up to the support, because we also have this very strong support above this support of the falling wedge that is almost at 1.1 cents. And we have the next resistance at 2.1 cents. I'll show you this resistance and a different support and resistance level later on in this video. Now let's move to the next chart, and this is also the daily chart. I have placed the exponential moving averages here with the time period of 21 and 10. These are very significant moving averages, and the crossovers between these moving averages sometimes becomes the decision making crossovers for the price line. For example, here we have already seen that once the price action this EMA 10 crossed up this EMA 21, after that we have already observed a very powerful bullish rally. Now at this time, the EMA 10 is likely to cross up this EMA 21 again, but it can be a kind of bull trap as well, because if it will we will not have a complete bull cross between two EMAs, like we already had this situation here. We already had this situation here when there are a lot of people were thinking that we are going to have this bull cross, and maybe some people have already bought here to take it as a buying signal, but we did not receive any bull cross. So at this time, unless this bull cross will be not completely formed, we cannot confirm anything whether the price line will continue the bullish rally or it will be moved down. I've already placed this a MACD indicator. This is a stochastic indicator, and this is the MACD indicator. At this time, the stochastic is bullish, and the MACD is also very strong bullish, and the stochastic is moving up after visiting the oversold zone. Therefore, we can expect that this time we will receive a bull cross between these two EMAs, because the stochastic has already visited the oversold zone, and the MACD already has given strong bullish signal, but we should wait for this bull cross between these two moving averages, the EMA, the exponential moving average 10 and 21. Now, to take a more closer look on the price action, I'm just taking you to the 4-hour chart, and here the price action is moving in this up channel, and this is the 200 simple moving average on this 4-hour small time period chart, and the price line is likely to being rejected by this resistance of the 200 simple moving average. Therefore, we can expect that the price action may move down up to this support again after this rejection, and after retesting this previous support of this support of the channel, that is almost at 1.2 cents, it can move up again. However, if we will receive this bull cross, then there are very strong chances that the price action will move more up, as we have already seen that the price action on the long-term chart is getting bounced from this 25 simple moving average. And these are the different support and resistance level. For example, if the price action will start the bullish rally from here, then we have the different resistance levels on the daily chart. For example, we have the 1.5 cent, that is the next resistance level, and from where the price action is already rejected, and after retesting the previous support of 1.1 cents, the price action is again likely to move up, and it will be a kind of double bottom if it will break out this 1.5 cents, and then we have the 1.8 cents, and after that we have a very strong resistance of 2.1 cents, and this will be a kind of very significant resistance. If it will be broken out, then the price action can turn even more bullish. Now I would like to show you the exact targets where the price action can move next. If we take a look at this falling wedge pattern again, and if we place this trend line from this tail of this falling wedge pattern up to this support, and we place, for example, if we will have the breakout from this level, then we can expect, you can see that exactly up to 2.2 cents. I'm just going to place this trend line so it will be easy for you to watch. This is almost 2.2 cents where we have the resistance. So it can be up to or more than 60% bullish move from this level where the price action is moving at the moment up to 2.1 cents if we will have the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. Let's see what will happen in the future. At this time, we are having a very good bullish strong signals even on the 4-hour chart, on this daily chart. I'm just waiting for this bull cross between the EMA 10 and EMA 21, and after that we can expect that it will break out this falling wedge patterns resistance, and we can expect a bullish rally up to 2.1 cent as per sequence of this falling wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like. I'll definitely post more updates. I'll have more updates about the Vechain for you. Take care. Goodbye.